Welcome back. Now in this shopping cart system, which is ThriveCart, you have the ability to edit an upsell and or downsell page. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click this button and we're going to edit the upsell page. Now in this case, you're going to have two choices. You can either customize your upsell page within ThriveCart or you can use your own custom page. For the sake of this video, we're going to work through this process of launching the upsell editor to use a ThriveCart page. And basically, ThriveCart is going to give you an editor that you can customize and add things to, and this is the page that your customer is going to see after they make the purchase of your main product. So in this case, you will not need to use a page on your website. All you'll need to do is to customize this page. And so what you'll do is you'll use elements from this editor and you'll add them into the area in order to make the page what you want it to be. Each element you add from the right side, you click on top of that element, you can customize that element here on the left side menu. So every place that you put your cursor is an area that you're going to be able to customize here in this area. Once you have completed the work, you can then click Complete. You'll also be able to tell what your page will look like on a mobile device as well as a desktop computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.